What is up, beautiful? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zosha Allah, if you didn't fucking know. So today we are going to be dyeing my synthetic bob wig. I have here some boiling hot water, which I'm pouring into a plain white bucket. And then we are going to be using this rich dye. I have the powder one in color Scarlet. So this is my first attempt at ever dyeing a synthetic wig. Let me just tell you guys, I was so super excited to get this cherry color and everything. So, you know, I went and bought this dye. The place where I got the dye from, they didn't have the liquid one that I've been seeing around the internet, but I figured the powder would do just fine. So I'm dumping all of the contents of the powder into the boiling hot water. And then I'm just taking like this little comb and giving it a really good stir. Let me show you guys how beautiful and true red the color is, which like I'm already in love. Okay, so I'm brushing the wig out a little bit. This is the wig, if you guys remember. This is the unit. It is synthetic, like I said before. So as I do like a little test, it's coming out this beautiful like red cherry color, and I'm super happy with it. So I continue to dip it. I even thought about doing like a half dye, you know, just on the ends, because that kind of looked cool at the beginning, but I just went ahead and submerged the unit into the color. So I'm just trying to show you guys here, you know, just getting it all into the red liquid. And just trying to be careful because again, this is boiling hot water, you guys. So just to make sure that everything was nice and saturated, like all the strands, I decided to use my hand, you know, even though it was very hot. So be super careful. And also I would suggest to you guys to wear gloves because my hands were red afterwards. But it's looking really, you know, pretty red color. So I'm just gonna take and like brush it out a little bit. So kind of at this point, I start to notice that the color isn't as saturated as I would like it to be. But I figure, you know, once I rinse everything out, it's just going to be okay. And then I'm just going to put a little tiny bit of fabric softener, because if you guys are familiar with synthetic wigs, this helps to just keep it a little bit soft. So you can see I put like a few drops in there. And then I'm just mixing again. Also, I want to give you guys the tip to put like an old towel or something down, because this red dye does freaking stain. Like, I got a couple of drips on my tiles and I had to clean it up right away, but you know, everything was fine. But yeah, guys, I'm just mixing some more, just trying to saturate the hair as much as possible with the color. So I'm just showing you guys. Okay, everything's nice and saturated, but at the end, after rinsing it out, this is actually what I got. So I accidentally dyed my wig pink. I wanted to go for, you know, a true red scarlet color like it said on the box, and for some reason when I rinsed it out, all of the color rinsed off, which I wasn't too happy about, but I have been wanting some pink hair. So, you know, everything happens for a reason, I guess. I was actually really happy with the way that it turned out. So right now I have my pink bob, and I'm just kind of brushing everything out so it can air dry. But yeah guys, that is how I accidentally dyed my 613 bob pink. I'm not sure exactly what happened. I did rinse it like in, cool water and everything, so that shouldn't have been the problem. I'm just guessing that maybe since it was the powder dye as opposed to the liquid RIT dye, that it didn't adhere to the strands as well. But yeah guys, I am going to be applying this unit in the next video, so go ahead and stay tuned for that. I actually like high-key am in love with it, so if you guys would like to see me apply it, I will see you in my next video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.